In this video, I'll show you how to use Netlify Functions. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. Then open the site where you want to use serverless functions. Make sure your project is already connected to Netlify. Next, open your project in your preferred code editor and create a folder for your Netlify functions if your project doesn't already have one. Add a new function file and write the server-side logic you want to run, such as processing form submissions, calling an external API, or handling secure requests. Now, make sure your project is configured to recognize the functions directory. Save your changes, then commit and push the updated code to your connected Git repository. Netlify will automatically build your project and deploy your functions along with your website. After that, return to the Netlify dashboard and open the Functions section. Here you can view your deployed functions and verify that they were published successfully. Test your function by sending a request from your website or by accessing its endpoint, and confirm that it returns the expected response. Finally, continue updating your functions as your application grows. Every time you push new changes to your Git repository, Netlify will automatically redeploy your functions so your latest updates are available online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Netlify Functions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.